Hello everyone, welcome back to the Huddle Hub channel. You wanted to learn coding but you do not know where to start? This video is for you. Today I will teach you a full Python course for beginners. We will start from zero. By the end you will be know how to write really Python programs. We will not just knowing about Python, we will be able to write a code, fix mistakes, and build your own programs. So, what you will learn? In this course, you will learn Python step by step. For example, really examples. That means really coding and practice exercise after every topic so you remember it. And small projects to test what you learn, and simple explanations, clear and easy to follow, and helpful tips, the same tips to real programmers use. We will start with easy topics like variables, then we move to loops, functions, and files. At the end, we at the end you will pull really Python projects. So, who is this course is for? Remember, this course is good for students who are new to coding, beginners with no experience, future software developers, etc., or backend developers who wanted to learn a Python physics, people who wanted to automate automate tasks, or people who wanted to learn AI. So you don't need any experience. You just needing a computer and then wish to learn. And so why Python is important? In this course, Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. A big companies using Python like a Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify. Why Python is so popular? Because it is easy to read, easy to learn, and very useful. You can use Python as pull websites, automate work, studying data, or even building AI. A very useful or important is the Python. So now let's get ready for learning a Python step by step.